Alright, today I'm going to show how to flush your water heater, especially with all the settlements there. Usually it's in the back or on the side of your camper, so whatever you find, you pop the cover open. And it's pretty similar the way you winterize it. I do it usually before I winterize it too. I flush all the stuff out of there. And you see that plug right there? Either you have the plug or you have an anorod. That's the same kind of looking plug, and you gotta unscrew, let the water out. You can release some pressure by your pressure relief valve or your low point drain lines, which I usually do. I pop those open and they would be underneath your camper, but I'm gonna do that. I'm using 15-16 to get this removed there, so I'm gonna take the thing out, let the water out. And what I have is I bought this Camco wand that I used to flush it, and I hook up to my garden hose. Has a little shut off valve, and let's see, I'll show you. Pop that open, and it has a nice pressure to get all the settlements out of your water heater flushed out. And if you have bad water, I recommend do that maybe once through the season. I do it once a year. And let's go from there. Let me pop that open. So there we go. Open that up. Got the plug out, let the water drain out. I'll show you right here. And all I got is just this little plug there. Put some Teflon tape on it later, or go, and then we're gonna flush all this sediments out. Once it drains out, I'll put my wand in there and go from there. And I'll show you where my low point drains are. I'm gonna do those too. So right underneath my camper, I got these two hot and cold low point drain lines, and it's the same key to open them up. You open them out, you get the water out, and it'll help you to flush the settlement. It'll give you another point of water that can come in and out of the water heater. There we go. We're still draining that water out of there. You could see all the settlement, the black, get this thing to focus there. And you can see some of that white hard water settlement that's coming out right from in there. So that's what's inside there. And once we start flushing it out, we'll have more of it. Let me see here. It's hard to do with one hand. Yeah, it's quite a bit of water came out of there. It's all a bunch of big mud puddle now. Especially after all the rain we had. So there we go. We just pop it in there. Get it flushed out. Sorry for the shaking, but turn that, let they get all that settlement loose in there. And we'll have all kinds of stuff is coming out. I'm gonna zoom in on this stuff here. White, orange, all kinds of settlement build up in there. So let's keep on doing that a couple times till no more stuff is coming out of the water heater. Okay. get a good flow going. I'll break some of the other stuff loose that's in there, taped up. Turn this around 2 times. Alright, so that's what we do with that. Alrighty here. And when you're done, you can just put this car back in there, or I just leave mine on the side there. You know, if I winterize this, then I'll put it back in the spring. But that's what it is. And this one, pick that up, and I'll try to put a link on in the video here for it's a Camco water heater flusher wand. And hey, thank you for watching. Hope this helps. And subscribe and like, and I'll get more videos from the camper.